Task number 6, conclusion. Congratulations, you just finished the Wireshark the basics room. In this room we covered Wireshark, what it is, how it operates, and how to use it to investigate traffic captures. Want to learn more? We invite you to complete Wireshark packet operations room to improve your Wireshark skills by investigating packets in depth. Amazing room. This is a very useful room and practical room if you want to be a pen tester, even if you want to be, everything related to cybersecurity and even networking. This is an amazing room. Wireshark the basics, and we go into another amazing room, Wireshark packet operations, which will come next. Answer the questions below. Our favorite question. Proceed to the next room and keep learning. All right. So actually, I see that in the cybersecurity 101, the next room is TCP dump, the basic, another useful tool. So I guess we see each other in this room. And for people who are, let's say, and for the people that are curious about the Wireshark room, don't you worry, we will do everything on this website. So we'll see each other in TCP dump room in order to finish our cybersecurity 101